يلا اسمعكم وياي. No woman no cry, woman no cry.
After me read from the Holy Quran, me know where me going to and where me coming from. After me walk with the Almighty One, me no need no knife and me no want no gun. After me talk with the Islamic tongue, said the Prophet was sent to teach the nation. Who no listen and who no understand.
Come here, man. Come here, man. Yeah, come here, man. Yeah, dance, man. Yeah, dance, man. Yeah, that's an Arab, man. Come here, man. You got the Rasta, man. You can like it too.
Jamaican culture has officially gone global. And one of the most surprising places it has taken roots is the Arab world. From reggae covers in Saudi Arabia, to dancehall choreography in Dubai, to Jamaican slang popping up online. Arabs are embracing Jamaican vibes in a big way. But why does Jamaican culture connect so deeply with people thousands of miles away? In today's video, we are breaking down the global love for reggae, dancehall, and the Jamaican spirit, straight from the Middle East. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more worldwide cultural stories.
You're Somali and you married a Jamaican when he's out of your bumper click culture. Why did you marry him, you Rasta?
I like how they look. I like their culture. I like their personality. I like their vibes. That's why I married a Jamaican, because I like them in general. I like them.
Yeah,
and just because I'm Somali, it doesn't mean that I should marry a Somali. It doesn't say anywhere in the Quran that if you're Somali, you marry someone that's Somali.
I mean, if he's Muslim, then if someone is like a good character, and like they're Muslim, why not?
Yeah,
it's
not like there's anything wrong with my people. I love my Somali brothers and I love my Somali sisters. I like the vibes of Jamaicans more.
They have nice vibes, I can't lie.
Nice vibes, nice music, nice everything.
Nice food, nice music, nice vibes, mashallah.
So that's why I'm married.
Jamaicans are nice people and they're kind.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got to Jamaica.
Well, actually, I am officially from Lebanon. I ended up in Canada, and when I was living in Canada, I faced lots of medical issues, especially skin and eczema and lots of complication. And then I thought maybe I can go somewhere where it's nice and hot, different weather. And I ended up in Jamaica, called my community, Muslim community, and I ended up in Jamaica.
And so there was a Muslim community here that helped you?
Yes, of course. They were very helpful. They were very helpful. And also when I came here, it's just like all my conditions disappeared and I felt normal and healthy and everything was like.
Because of the sun?
100%. It's the weather, the sun, the earth, the food, the air, everything's in Jamaica helped me.
Is there anything you'd like people to know about the Muslim community here in Jamaica?
We can establish a better community here because they need really help. And make them a better place for Muslims to be here.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing about wearing the hijab?
Oh, I love my hijab. I love my hijab. I'm so proud of my hijab. I consider myself lucky to have hijab and being in Jamaica because I feel I'm so respectful from many people, and I walk here so safe, so nicely, and people respect me so nicely.
How do people respond when they see you?
Number one, they think I am a nun, which, fine. And also because I dress like Mary. And when they ask me, why you dress like this? I say, I dress like Mary. And they're surprised that I believe in Mary, which, we love Mary, we respect her, and even Jesus. They were so surprised, so in shock. There are a lack of information about Islam, what we know, what we love, what we worship. And there's, lots of information about Mary and Jesus. And that's why I'm happy to walk on the road with my hijab and talk about it.
And is there any challenges that you faced in your life, not just in Jamaica, but while wearing the hijab?
Personally, no, not really, not really, not really. But my daughter did. My daughter did face lots of challenge, lots of them. But we're working on it. We're working on it, and we try to, to inform people that this is not the Islam what they hear on media. They have to search for real Islam, and when they found it, they know what Islam is. It's about love, unity, care, share, and spread peace. And that's what I like to do here. And I love my life here.
This Hamoudi boy, he's always finishing the fooding in the home. What is this, Habibi? Jerk volleying, Habibi? Oh, I want to try this. Is this the Jamaican food, Habibi? Wow, wow. Oh, wow. What is this, Habibi? Wow, wow. Look inside. Look inside. Oh, Hamoudi is going to be very jealous. What is this, jerk chicken and chips? The wrapping one, Habibi? Wow, I'm gonna eat the good one. This is better than shawarma, Habibi. Oh my god. Hamoud is gonna be so jealous, Habibi. Oh my god. Keep going. This food is so good, Habibi. I like this bad shawarma. Ya Abbas. Yeah, you are right. The Jamaican fooding is so good, Habibi. I like it so much. It's better than shawarma, 100%, Habibi.
Me a Jamaican Muslim, and of course you're surprised because you did think say Jamaica was full of either only Rastas and or only Christians. Me a Jamaican Muslim, so best believe when me make the sorrel, there's no red label or Ray nephew. Me a Jamaican Muslim, best believe that they're calling my Kufi a Tam. Me a Jamaican Muslim, so best believe me can recite Al-Fatiha in English, Arabic and Jamaican patois. Me a Jamaican Muslim, if you think say every Jamaican know each other, trust and believe say every Jamaican Muslim know each other or know somebody when know somebody. Me a Jamaican Muslim and best believe my stew peas make with chicken foot. And finally, me a Jamaican Muslim. If you ask me where I'm from and me say Jamaica and you respond with me never know say Muslims there Jamaica, me go ask where you from. And then me go say me never know say Muslims there, even if it's from Indonesia, Saudi Arabia or anywhere else.
Jamaican culture doesn't just stay in Jamaica. It travels, and the Arab world has connected with it for a simple reason. Vibes recognizes vibes. Reggae carries message of peace, unity, love, and resilience. Themes Arab communities understand deeply. Dancehall brings energy, rhythm, and celebration. Emotions that cross all borders. Whether you understand the words or not, you feel the spirit. And that's what made Jamaican culture explode across Middle Eastern music scenes, dance studios, and online platforms. Over the last decade, reggae bands and dancehall DJs have become a major part of nightlife in places like Dubai, one of the biggest hubs for dancehall parties in the Middle East. Lebanon, a reggae hotspot with loyal fans. Saudi Arabia, young creators dancing and singing reggae online. Morocco and Egypt, Afro-Arab regions with strong musical fusion traditions. Arab musicians now remix reggae rhythms. TikTok challenges bring Jamaican culture to millions. And what's wild is the enthusiasm level. Not imitation, not mockery, just pure appreciation. On a deeper level, Jamaicans and Arabs share something powerful. A history of struggle, a deep respect for community and family, a love for storytelling through music, and pride in their roots. These similarities make reggae and dancehall feel familiar to Arab listeners, even if they grew up thousands of miles away. That's why Bob Marley became loved worldwide, but especially in Arabic-speaking countries. His message of unity connects across religion, nationality, and culture. Another surprising part of this cultural connection is the language and fashion. You will hear Arab TikTokers say, Wagwan, big up, bless up. Even Jamaican patois expressions show up in Arab memes. Fashion is part of the love too. Rasta colors, dread-inspired styles, reggae-themed make people aren't just listening to Jamaican music. They are living the culture. This isn't a trend. It's a global respect. So why does Jamaican culture connect so easily across the world? Here is the truth. It is joyful. It is soulful. It is powerful. It celebrates freedom and unity. It makes people feel something. No matter where you are from, when a reggae bassline drops or a dancehall beat hits, your body and spirit respond naturally. That's the magic of Jamaica. From the Caribbean to the Middle East, Jamaican culture continues to inspire and unite people everywhere. And seeing Arabs embrace reggae, dancehall, and Jamaican vibe is proof that culture has no borders, only connections. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more global cultural stories. Bless up and see you in the next one.